I welcome you all to International Day of Yoga. Here is a small presentation by Priyanshi Devdarshini from KG class. At first, Namaskaram to all. Today we are going to present some asanas which can be easily performed by small children and also adults. So, first comes the Paschima Uttanasana. It helps to stretch spine, shoulder and hamstring muscles. It stimulates liver, kidneys, ovaries and uterus. It helps in improving digestion and it also helps to relieve the symptoms of menopause and menstrual discomfort in adult women. Second comes Vajrasana. It cures digestive acidity and gas formation. It relieves knee pain. It strengthens thigh muscles and it helps to relieve back pain also. It is the only asana which can be performed also after taking food. Number 3 comes the Bhujangasana. It strengthens the spine, it stretches chest and lungs, shoulder and abdomen and is also very useful in sciatica. It is also called as the snake pose. Then number 4 comes the Pavanamuktasana. It improves digestion and relieves constipation. It strengthens abdominal muscles and also helps to reduce belly fat. This asana is very useful in small children and also adults because it helps to release all the extra gas formed in the intestine. Number 5 comes the Parvatasana. It strengthens muscles of the shoulders, arms and legs. It increases flexibility in the spine, hamstrings and calf muscles. It also tones the spinal nerves and balances the nervous system. Number 6 comes Ashwasanchalasana. It stretches the hips on the back leg and calf muscles on the front leg. It builds strength to the muscles that support the knee and it also alleviates pain caused by sciatica. Number 7 comes the Ardha Chakrasana. It helps to reduce fat from thigh and stomach. It improves lung capacity and it also strengthens the back and spine muscles. Normally children have very flexible body, so these asanas can be easily performed by the children. Number 8 comes Vrikshasana. It strengthens the legs and opens the hip. It improves the neuromuscular coordination. It also helps to improve balance and endurance of the body. It also improves alertness and concentration of mind. Number 9 comes Padahastasana. It strengthens calves, hamstrings and hip muscles. It also strengthens back, neck and shoulder. It improves digestion and helps to reduce belly fat. Number 10 comes the Shavasana. It helps to calm the mind and body and reduce stress. It reduces headache, fatigue and anxiety and also helps to lower blood pressure.